Hello everyone, let's now move further with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. Take the two different strands and fix them properly using the rubber band, then give them the internal twist. Now you just have to create a ponytail and then fix it again using the rubber band. Once your ponytail is ready, you just have to take another rubber band and you just have to fix it at the center, and then you just have to give it an internal twist and fix it in a circular motion so that our bun is ready. This type of the activity is very simple and it's very easy. It's best suitable for the long length hair. If I will talk about the time consumption, that it will take few seconds. Let's move further with another hairdo. This one is again best suitable for the long length hair. It will take some of your time, but it's going to turn into a beautiful hair look. See how I'm going to place the rubber band properly, and then you just have to give it an internal twist as apparent on your screens. This type of the hairstyle is very easy and very simple. Now again I'm taking some of the hair strands and I'm just twisting them. Now in a zigzag manner I'm just placing them in this type of the direction. The rest of the hair is tied up using another rubber band as shown here. When the rest of the rubber band is tied up here, you just have to take help of this tool and give it the internal twist like shown here. This type of the activity is little bit time consuming, but it's very cool and easy. Decorate it using some of the fancy hairpins. It looks perfectly good and nice. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. You just have to take some of the hair and fix them in the proper position using the rubber band. The rest of the hair is taken and you just have to comb it properly. Once you are just combed it, you just have to tie up using the another rubber band. Then fix it using this type of the bobby pin at the proper position as shown here. Just fix it properly and give it a twist so that it is just fixed at the proper place. Now you just have to take the rest of the hair again, tie it up using the another rubber band, and then you can decorate it using some of the fancy hairpins, and the bobby pin is must for this type of the hairdo. It's just a casual bun, but this looks quite good. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is again best suitable for the medium length or the long length hair. Just take the rubber band, make a ponytail out of it, then give it an internal twist as apparent on your screens. Once you are done with this thing, then you just have to take some of the hair and you just have to loosen it using your hands so that it will add some of the volume to your hair look. Then the rest of the hair is taken and you just have to convert it into a classical braid as apparent on your screens. Now see how I'm just rolling and twisting it and fixing it at the proper position using the bobby pin decorated with some of the fancy hair accessories. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. Just take the rubber band and make a lower half ponytail out of it. Now you just have to comb the rest of the hair. After that, just fix it in the proper position using the rubber band. You just have to take some of the hair and in a crisscross manner you just have to roll it and convert it into a simple bun. This type of the hairstyle is very less time consuming and you can make it in just few seconds. This looks quite good and nice and you can go for this casual look. Thank you for watching our videos.